In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend colors in Canva. If you've ever wanted those smooth, professional-looking color transitions in your designs, this quick process will get you there using Canva's built-in gradient shapes. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left-hand side, hover over the Elements tab. This is your library for shapes, graphics, and more. When Elements expands, go straight to the search bar at the top. Type gradient shape into the search bar. This tells Canva to pull up graphics that already contain a color blend. Gradients are perfect for backgrounds, overlays, buttons, or subtle lighting effects. To make sure you get editable results, click Graphics in the Filter row. This focuses the results on vector-style items you can recolor instead of photos that keep their original colors. You'll usually see options like circles, blobs, waves, and abstract shapes with soft transitions. Browse the results and pick a graphic that suits your layout. Think about the direction of the blend and the mood you want. Rounded shapes feel soft and friendly, while angled shapes can look bold and dynamic. If you see a small crown or watermark, that means it's a paid asset. Feel free to select a free option so you can customize it without issues. Now drag and drop your chosen gradient shape onto your canvas. Position it where the color transition will enhance your composition, behind text for a glow, tucked into a corner for depth, or stretched wide as a backdrop. You can resize by dragging the corners and rotate to follow the flow of your design. With the shape selected, look to the color controls at the top of the editor. You'll see multiple color swatches, each representing a stop in the gradient. Click a swatch and pick a new color from the palette, your document colors, or type an exact hex code. Then adjust the other swatches to complete the blend. For smooth, calming results, choose colors that sit near each other on the color wheel. For eye-catching contrast, try complementary hues and balance them with a lighter or darker partner to keep text readable. And that's it. Hover on Elements, search Gradient Shape, click Graphics, choose an option, drag it in, and customize the colors from the top bar. Experiment with a few shapes and palettes to find the perfect blend for your design.